Hi y'all, welcome to Philip Miller Furniture. I'm Philip, and today we're going to be reviewing the Grizzly 1 horsepower dust collector. Let's take a look. Let me pull the box down so you can see what's inside of it. Give me 1 second. All right, that's a little better. These are the wheel casters. Looks like a seal. Bolts. Sucker out.
So I didn't find the instructions all that helpful. They weren't detailed enough. The words were vague. But I was able to follow along the best I could. Here I'm assembling the bottom, putting the nuts on. So this is where I ran into some trouble.
So, I was missing 4 of these. That was a little disappointing. Unfortunately, that's gonna ding this review a little bit. It's never good to have missing pieces, especially when you buy a brand new tool. Anyway, I had some of these laying around in my shop, thank goodness, and I'll be able to complete this. I'm also missing 2 of these. It's quite frustrating. These little ones, I'm gonna move my camera here, they actually attach to the bottom of this. All right, so I have to use my own screw and bolt again, just because they don't provide me one. I'm really kind of disappointed with this build so far and putting it together. They're just missing a lot of pieces. I hope this performs better than it goes together.
Make sure you install the gasket between the 2 pieces before you screw it and tighten everything. I didn't have any issues installing this top bracket to hold the bag. One tip I would recommend when trying to attach the bag and the clamps, use some tape to hold the bag in place before you put the band clamp around it. It makes everything easier. And here I'm attaching the bag and I'm feeding through the clamp. There's a little slot in the bag and you just tighten it on. Alright, so this thing is powerful. I do give it probably 8 out of 10 on how well it performs in sucking out the dust. This was actually leftover dust that was in my cabinet. It just sucked it all out, so I was pretty pleased with that. Overall, this thing did what it said it would do. I honestly was just really disappointed with the build, and I just felt that for something like this, there should be everything there.